Hello, welcome to Testing for Everyone. Today I would like to show you the quickly way you can convert a YAML file to property file. The first way I want to mention here is the page. As you know, this page you can input the contents of YAML file uh, that you want to convert to property file and click on this convert button. Example, I have a property file and I want to convert this file to YAML file. Here, this config of automation test project. So I pass this one on yeah, and I click on this button. I mean that I want to convert the property file to YAML file. Yeah, and thanks to this feature on that page, we can convert the YAML property file to YAML file quickly. So I can copy the contents and navigate to my project and create a new file as a YAML file and copy the content. That's the first way you can convert a YAML file to property file or the property file to YAML file quickly. So the second way I can say you here, you can use a plugin on your editor. Here I using IntelliJ to working in my project, and so I navigate to my plugin and I search the plugin on my IntelliJ. It means that YAML file, okay, to property file. So I need to navigate to marketplace, and here on plugin list, I can see the plugin convert YAML and property file, and I install this plugin. Yeah, I click OK. So example, I want to convert this config file to YAML file. Here I will need to right click my mouse, and I can see the option convert YAML file and property file, and you can see here I can convert my property file to YAML file as quickly, and I also convert it again with the same function on my IntelliJ. So that's a two way you can convert the YAML file to property file quickly. Thank you and see you on the next video. Bye.